If you are looking for a dog wireless fence, you're going to want to check this one out by Premier Pet. The brand did send me this so I could set this up. I'm going to do an unboxing video. Our ground has been frozen for the last 2 months, but I'm really excited to set this up. We do have a dog and we do have an outdoor that is not fenced in. So I'm going to show you everything you get with this. So this is going to be the base right here. So this is what you're going to be using. This is going to be the crux of everything. You also get this adapter right here, so you're going to plug that in here, plug this into the wall, and you are going to be good to go. You also have like little hooks on here, so you could put that on there, and then you are able to adjust the frequency and kind of the boundary switch as well. You also get this collar, so you're going to put this on your dog, and if they pass the boundaries that you set up, it's going to go off to keep them in the boundary. And then you have these flags right here, so you're going to put these flags in the ground to mark your boundary, and then you're going to take your dog, kind of get them to that flag to get them to be like, hey, you come close to this, this is what's going to happen. And the instructions are really simple. I'm not one that is good with getting things together, but just going through this right off the bat, I'm like, this is going to be so easy to install. You don't have to dig any holes or do any of that stuff at all. So if you're looking for a wireless pet fence, definitely check this one out.